Well, welcome to my channel. I am Ferrari King, and of course, before I start, don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, or unlike it, don't dislike, no, it don't matter. But check out the description. Also follow the website, the link to my website, and check out my ebooks and stuff. But in this video, I'm going to give you guys 2 tips for life. This will help you out a lot. I mean, if you follow these 2 tips, you'll get in a lot less trouble. It's just 2 simple tips. 1, and this is important, never, ever, absolutely, positively, never, ever, 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 I don't care what the situation is, never, never, never volunteer for anything. You don't want to be the guy to volunteer, because then you're going to be the one doing all the work. So don't volunteer for anything. You do not ever volunteer for anything. That's how you get used. Number 2, and this goes along with number 1, and it's very important. When someone comes up to you and asks, will you do me a favor, never ever say yes, because you don't know what that favor is. Always say, what do you guys think? It depends. Or what is the favor first? Tell me what the favor is. Never ever volunteer for anything, and never just say yes when they ask you for a favor. And here's another thing, it's not really a tip. I just want to say something. If you have watched my other videos, please watch my other videos. I'm in my mid-40s. Now, I want to tell you one thing about being in your mid-40s, why your 40s is the absolute best time of your life. Absolute best. Because when you're in your 40s, you're young enough to make fun of old people, but you're also old enough to complain about young people. Can't beat that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Support small channels, because YouTube doesn't. I need the subscribers and I need a watch hour. So please, I'm begging you, subscribe, like, share, check out my ebooks and all the other good stuff. See ya. Have a good day. Okay, let's see if we can get this thing to turn off.